They were showing you a Ferguson F40 tractor. It is a gas tractor. We traded this tractor in from a fellow that was upgrading to a newer tractor. There are no known mechanical issues with the tractor. The engine runs like it could use a tune-up. It'll sputter and misfire at times. I don't think the throttle linkage is hooked up either. It's always at one speed. Overall, it's not a bad looking tractor. If you are looking for an expensive brush hogging tractor, something like that, this might work well for you. It does have a dual stage clutch. Hours on it are 2878. This is one of our budget friendly tractors. It's selling as is, where is. If you have any questions, please contact us.